Beautiful souls. Are you over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start an online business? Spoiler, it's not. In fact, your life experience gives you a huge edge. Let's explore 5 beginner-friendly online business ideas that are low-risk, flexible, and perfect for people just like you. Got skills in writing, editing, admin, or bookkeeping? Freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you work from home doing what you already know. You set the hours, you choose the projects, and yes, people over 50 are in demand for their reliability and professionalism. If you've spent decades in a field, healthcare, HR, teaching, or business, you can turn that experience into income. Start coaching beginners in your niche via Zoom. No fancy tech, just you, your expertise, and a few clients who need guidance. Want a creative outlet? Try print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, journals, no inventory needed. Sites like Printful or Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. You just upload your ideas, share your store, and earn passive income. Love talking about products you use? With affiliate marketing, you earn commissions for recommending tools, books, or gadgets. Share them in blog posts, YouTube videos, or even emails. It's low cost and easy to learn, perfect for beginners. You can sell what you know. Create a simple ebook, checklist, or online course. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy. Think, how to grow veggies in small spaces, or budgeting over 50. Small digital products can create steady income streams. Starting something new after 50 doesn't mean starting over. It means starting smart. These 5 ideas are low-tech, low-risk, and totally doable from your kitchen table. Check out the links below for more tips. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos just for you.